Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to take a quick look at our brand new SCM Nova F520 joiner. That 520 stands for your width, so you have a 520 millimeter width capacity, which equals 20.47 inches. This does have the Xylent helical cutter head in it. It runs at 5,000 RPM and it has 84 15 by 15 by 2.5 millimeter inserts. Your in-feed table measures 61 inches. The out-feed table is 47.25 inches. Total length is going to be 108.25 inches. It's powered by an 8 horsepower motor. On your bottom left here, you're gonna find a single 120 millimeter dust port. Beautiful grind on the tables. Now, mind you, this machine is brand new. It's still attached to the original shipping skid. So what you're seeing on these tables is the protectant that comes with these machines, and we are gonna ship it like this as well. We do ship these machines via flatbed because this is not really meant to be cross-docked common carrier. It's kind of a sin to put this on a common carrier, actually. There's just too much dead space to the right and left, and having it cross-docked 3, 4, 5, 6 times before it hits you is just an issue. It is going to come with your original wrenches, 10 spare inserts, a wrench for those inserts, and manuals. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.